morning, one and all, watching this video. I am Koushani Dey from Shri Shikshayatan school studying in class 8. Today I am going to show you all a card made by me on the topic My Father, My Hero. Let's start. This is the card. I have put a layer of glass paper over it, which includes an outline. This writing describes the outline. Let me read it. It says, "Come fill my world, come fill my life, come take my hand and come work with me." Let's go to the inner part. There I have attached an origami piece. Let's open it. This painting of dolls show that a father will always protect his family just like a tree. And then there is the bunch of balloons, which I have drawn as a return gift to my father. And then we come to the last page. This is the peacock, which I have drawn with vibrant colors. The colors denote the colors of our lives, which is only possible for a father. Simplicity is beauty. That's why I have made the card really very simple. Happy Father's Day, Dad.